Esse Boost Bites da Cadbury and Chocolate Sparrow.
Os ballm kind of bueno.
Dom hégur an ranú a dhéanamh idir beer agus seachlát fiochaí mé seachlát.
Hi, is mis Antoine agus tá sosa bhar agus asan op gurcaig. Tá ag dul ag an chocolate shop, téman seo go riomhinnig pan Harry Sphere yachar oring, agus tá op an €50 chathebh ar cheapláid am héin.
Tá láin iachcaigh cosúla ceann sin as an curí agus an ceann sin láin le mé seán as an cin sin as curí freisin as an skeleton.
This is a really nice one again from Front Shop Pranu. They're all 75% cocoa and they'll all taste a little different to each other because of the origin of the cocoa. And this is really now from the heart of where the cocoa plant originates from, the Amazon.
I had probably on champagne truffle on chocolate case.